Hi everyone, in this video today I'm going to show you how we're going to make happy birthday bunting using the supplies that you see here on the table. First thing we need to do is we need to take our card templates and we need to cut out our bunting flag designs out of the glitter card. I'm going to start with the silver and I'm just going to flip it over, and on the back side I'm just going to draw around my backing shape for my bunting. And also out of the silver, I'm going to draw around the letter H. Do be aware that because you're writing on the back, when you're doing some of the letters, you may need to flip it over so that when you cut it out, they are actually the right way round. Next, we're going to take the blue glitter card and we're just going to do the straight edged banner flag. Now we've drawn around those, the next things we need to do is we just need to take the scissors and cut around. To cut out the holes, I have actually got a hole puncher. If you haven't got a single one like this, then you can just use a double hole punch and just use one of the holes at a time. So that's our first part, and now I'm going to cut out the silver glitter card. Once we've cut out our banner flag designs, this is what we should be left with, and this is going to build up and make our 3D banner flag. Taking the foam squares, we're now going to start adding these onto the back of the blue flag. So I'm just going to flip that over and I'm just going to add them in the corner, and I'm going to pop one in the middle where it comes up in the point, and I'm going to pop 3 along the top. You can put more or less on than this, that is totally optional. Now I'm just going to remove the backing paper off the little foam pads, and then to line it up I'm just going to use the punched holes as my guide, and we're just going to press that down to secure it on. And now I'm going to do the same with the letter H, and I've just popped 5 on there, and again we're going to remove the backing of the foam pads, and then I'm just going to try and make that nice and central. And there we're building up our 3D little banner flag. Now we need to repeat that for the whole of the word happy birthday, and you can go one extra step and you could add a name on the bottom as well. So I'm already prepared, and here are the rest of my banner flags. To attach them all together, I've just got some blue satin ribbon. You can use any ribbon, you can use wool, you can use string, whatever you've got on hand really. I'm going to start with the letter Y, and I'm just going to feed the ribbon through the punched holes. To release more ribbon, I'm just going to slide across the letters that we've already done and then continue to thread it through. That is how our banner is going to end up looking, and I'm super impressed. I think that looks really cute. We just need to ensure that we've left enough ribbon at the end so that we can make a loop, so that we can affix it to our wall. So I'm just going to make a loop, and then we can cut this side, and I'm going to make a loop there as well. And that is how the word happy is looking. I think that looks fab. And then now we just need to repeat that with the word birthday. So again, I'm going to start with the letter Y, and there we have our completed happy birthday glitter card bunting. I think it looks absolutely amazing. I think it's turned out really cute. It's better than I ever could have expected. You could do this in a whole range of colours that's going to suit your birthday theme, and you don't even have to use glitter card. You could use any kind of card. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye for now.